If you're constantly exhausted, no matter how much sleep you get, the problem might not be your schedule. It might be your cells. Mitochondria are your body's energy engines, responsible for producing ATP, the fuel that powers everything from thinking to healing. When mitochondria break down, energy crashes, and that leads to chronic fatigue, brain fog, and slow recovery. Renu Light Systems uses targeted red and near-infrared light to stimulate mitochondrial repair, recharging your cells and restoring their ability to make clean, efficient energy. Red light also helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major roadblocks to energy production, giving your body the freedom to function, heal, and thrive. Whether you're recovering from illness or just can't shake that daily exhaustion, red light therapy can support your body in reclaiming real, lasting energy. Renu Light Systems is at the forefront of mitochondrial health, where energy, innovation, and natural healing meet. Explore how red light therapy can help restore the energy your cells were designed to produce. Visit RenuLightSystems.com today. And if you're a healthcare provider ready to bring this technology to your patients, we'd love to support your practice. Visit our website to learn more.